Hi everyone, Doreen here from Doreen Food Prep Resource.
Today we're making mozzarella cheese made from shelf-stable milk powder ingredients. Before we get into our recipe, I wanted to give you a glimpse of a couple resources. In the first video, she's making a large batch of mozzarella cheese. In the second video, you'll notice he's adding butter to the powdered milk. He's heating it up and blending it. This will give it a much richer flavor. He's also adding citric acid, and he's adding 1 tablet of rennet. As you can see, that rennet really does make the cheese much thicker. Squeezing out all that whey. This man, I'm telling you, worked very hard at making this mozzarella cheese. It does turn out beautiful. He kept putting it in the microwave, bringing it out, squeezing out the whey. In both of these videos, they speak about making sure that you have salt. As I said, I'll leave links to both their videos. They're definitely worth a watch. Alright, now we have our list of ingredients. We start off with 4 cups of water, a half a cup of heavy cream powder, 1 cup of instant non-fat milk, 'We're looking for a temperature of between 140 and 160. And once it reached the proper temperature, you're going to add the vinegar, let it sit for 30 seconds, and then start stirring. See how it clumps up? This is what you're looking for. going to strain it in cheesecloth. You want to try to get as much of the whey squeezed out of the mozzarella cheese. To squeeze and squeeze and squeeze. And now make sure you add the salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. And you work it again. And you can put it in the microwave. It does help with smoothing the cheese and getting it more pliable. And I put it in a sandwich bag and placed it in the refrigerator to chill, so to make sure it hardened up enough that I could grate the cheese. We use this cheese on the lasagna meal that we've uploaded, and I'll leave a link in the description box below.
I hope you try one of those recipes. And if you do, please leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know how it went, or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.